Ever pondered why that stunning red lipstick that looks fabulous on a friend doesn't quite hit the mark on you? Today, we delve into the enchanting realm of makeup, focusing on the unique needs of different skin tones. Firstly, let's venture into the world of fair skin tones. Pale skin can often appear washed out, but with the right makeup techniques, it can radiate a porcelain-like elegance. Opt for blush in soft pink or peach hues to add a natural flush of color. Eyeshadows in earthy tones can enhance the eyes without overpowering, and a bold red lipstick can add a pop of color. Transitioning to medium skin tones, these complexions can carry a wider range of colors. A bronzer with a warm undertone can enhance the natural glow, while a vibrant blush can add a youthful freshness. When it comes to eyes, jewel-toned eyeshadows can make them pop. For lips, a deep rose or berry shade can perfectly complement the skin. Now onto the olive skin tones. These complexions have a natural warmth that can be accentuated with the right makeup. A peachy pink blush can add a natural radiance, while golden or bronze eyeshadows can enhance the natural glow. For lips, a bold red or a deep plum can add a stunning contrast. Finally, we explore the deep skin tones. With their rich, warm undertones, these skin tones can carry bold, vibrant colors beautifully. A deep berry or plum blush can add a gorgeous flush, while jewel-toned eyeshadows can add a stunning depth to the eyes. For lips, deep reds and purples can create a striking statement. To summarize, understanding your unique skin tone and its needs can transform your makeup game. For fair skin, soft pinks and bold reds can add color and depth. Medium skin tones can carry a wide range of colors, with warm bronzes and vibrant blushes working wonders. Olive skin tones can be enhanced with peachy pinks and golds, while bold lip colors can add contrast. Finally, deep skin tones can beautifully carry bold, vibrant colors, with deep berry and plum hues adding a stunning touch. Remember, these are guidelines and not rules. Makeup is a form of self-expression, so feel free to experiment and find what makes you feel most beautiful. After all, confidence is the most attractive accessory anyone can wear.